Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS Academic Writing Task 1. First, understand the task's core requirements. You'll describe visual data such as line graphs, bar charts, pie charts, tables, processes, or maps. Your goal is to summarize the main features, highlight significant trends, and make relevant comparisons. Remember, you need to write at least 150 words, ideally completing this section in about 20 minutes to leave 40 minutes for Task 2. Next, dedicate a few minutes to thoroughly analyze the visual data. Look at the title, labels on the axes, and any legends to understand what is being presented. Identify the units of measurement, such as percentages or millions. Pinpoint the overall trend, the highest and lowest values, and any notable fluctuations or periods of stability. This initial analysis is crucial for selecting the most important information to include in your report. Now, let's talk about structuring your report effectively. Start with an introduction, paraphrasing the task statement to introduce the visual. Follow this with an overview paragraph, which is vital for a good score, summarizing the main trends or most striking features without specific data. Then, dedicate 2 body paragraphs to provide specific details, figures, and comparisons, supporting your overview. Ensure a logical flow between your ideas. Finally, focus on your language and consistent practice. Utilize a variety of vocabulary to describe trends, such as increased sharply or remain stable. Incorporate complex sentence structures and cohesive devices like whereas or in contrast to link your ideas smoothly. Regular practice with diverse visual data, including line graphs, bar charts, and processes, will significantly improve your speed, accuracy, and overall confidence for Task 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.